Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how you can use the Ad-Hoc Report Creator to create reports with specific fields. On the home page, click Reports, click Report Designer, click Ad-Hoc Report Creator, click New, enter the report name, choose a report type from the drop-down, that is XLS, XLSX, or PDF. Select the employee details you want to include in your report, the employee code, name, etc., salary components, leave components, or any other user-defined fields. The employee details also contain all the standard salary components as per the current CTC. Next, coming to the pay component. Pay components include all the actual processed components in the salary. Select the range, that is the from month and the to month. Click Filtration to choose additional filters like department, designation, branch, etc. Please note that you can choose the fields for filtration based on the fields chosen in the employee details. Once you have updated the fields, click Add. After adding the required fields, click Save. To reorder the selected fields, click Save and Order. You can reorder the selected fields using the drag and drop option. Once you have selected your order, you need to save your order. Under Result, click View to view the report. Click Export to download the file. Open the downloaded file. In Sheet 2, you can design and format the report using standard Excel functions from data in Sheet 1 as per your requirement. Once done, save the file. Now click Choose File. Select the file and click Upload. Your new report format is uploaded successfully. You can then generate the report as per the new format uploaded. Based on the period selected, the report will be generated in Sheet 2 of the downloaded file. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.